Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to make a cinematic sunset portrait. Import your portrait and add a sunset background. Mask your subject cleanly using select subject. Now apply color lookup and select late sunset. Paint warm orange highlights on the face. Add soft sun flares using a wide circular brush. Use Gaussian blur to smooth the light glow and adjust shadows for realistic contrast. Apply curves to increase warmth in mid-tones. Add birds flying in the background. Paint golden reflections on nearby areas. Now slightly darken the bottom edges, merge visible layers, and sharpen the face. Your cinematic sunset portrait is complete. Thanks for watching.